In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn abroad. If you're looking for opportunities in another country, LinkedIn makes the process very simple once you know where to click. The key is to start with the right search and then narrow your results so you're only seeing relevant job openings in the location you want. First, go to LinkedIn and find the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll begin your job search. Type in the job title you're interested in. Try to be specific enough to get useful results, but not so narrow that you miss good opportunities. For example, searching for a clear role title will usually give you better results than using a very broad keyword. After you enter the job title, LinkedIn may show you a mix of results, including people, posts, companies, and jobs. To focus only on vacancies, look for the filter options near the top of the page and click the Jobs filter. This is an important step because it removes unrelated results and takes you straight to job listings connected to the title you searched for. Once you're on the jobs results page, move your attention to the top left area of the results. There you'll see a location drop-down. This is the feature that helps you search abroad. Click on the location drop-down and type in the country, city or region where you want to find jobs. Enter the location that matches where you want to work internationally, then apply that location to update the search results. At that point, LinkedIn will show jobs for your chosen title in the location you selected. This makes it much easier to explore international roles without manually sorting through listings from other places. If you're open to more than one destination, you can repeat the same process with different locations to compare opportunities across countries or cities. As a quick tip, make sure the job title and location combination reflects the kind of role you actually want. A good search starts with clear terms, and small adjustments can make a big difference in the quality of results you see. That's all you need to do to search for jobs on LinkedIn abroad. Start with the search bar, switch to the jobs filter, and then use the location drop-down to target the place where you want to work.